Loft 100 Studios, The Big Biz Show, and our affiliates and our hosts are not registered investment advisors or broker-dealers.
Our show hosts make no commitment that the purchase of securities of companies profiled or otherwise mentioned in our programming
are suitable or advisable for any person, or that an investment in such securities will be profitable in general.
Given the nature of the companies profiled and a lack of an active trading market for their securities, investing is highly speculative and carries a high degree of risk.
We profile selected publicly traded and privately held companies on our program.
Specific questions on comp and...
Most of these companies that we profile have provided compensation to Loft 100 Studios and its hosts for the profile coverage.
From time to time, we sell shares of the companies profiled in the open market that we receive as compensation for coverage of client companies.
But never sell stock if we are speaking about, interviewing, or covering a public company who has paid us compensation.
Specific questions.
Specific questions on compensation can be directed to producer@sullyentertainmentgroup.com.
Listeners should verify all claims and do their own due diligence before purchasing any securities mentioned on this program.
Investing in securities is speculative and carries a high degree of risk. We encourage our listeners to invest carefully and read the investor information available at the websites on the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, at sec.gov, or the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, at finra.org.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome to the Big Biz Show, featuring insight, analysis, and a lot of stuff that's none of your business.
Hold on. This is the Big Biz Show. I think it is their business.
Making the markets work for you. Here's the man with the plan, Sully.
Hey, they're live from the brand new Loft 100 Studios in sunny San Diego, California. Big Biz Show is on the air. Great to have you along. 110 million TV homes strong. We're radio and TV at the same time. We're also in 150 radio stations across the country, as well as Armed Forces Radio Network in 175 countries, and all the ships at sea. And let's God bless our military men and women serving our country overseas and underway. Mike Costa here, there, Sully here, and of course the day trader Quatro. Actually, it's the DTC with a different drummer.
Yes.
Let me have that again. Nice.
Love the qua.
Nice job. Nice to see you. Are you guys getting used to the new studio? Now that we can see each other now. Okay? You're getting used to the new studio. It's great. It's kind of odd. It's kind of like you ever played dodgeball as a kid?
Heck yeah.
And you're on the other. So me and James are like on opposite teams.
Yes, you are. That's right. That's right.
We're like this.
Yeah.
Like me and James are like literally straight across from each other. Great to have you along today. Got a huge show today. A couple of things. So the economy, Americans are more optimistic about inflation than they have been in about 2 years.
Is it coming down a little bit?
It's coming down a lot.
Oh, okay.
So the Consumer Price Index, which is called the CPI number, measures the price of everything except for gas and groceries, which you would think those are the two things that matter the most. But you have to kind of, if you want to strip out the most volatile stuff,
right.
Let's see how things are going. Because gas and groceries go like this, and it could skew it one way or the other. So it makes sense that you would look at a number without gas and groceries. And as a result, we are as low as we have been as far as increases. In other words, we're tapering off because this thing started in 2021. Okay, we're tapering off. Our peak was last June, so it's kind of gone like this. But it's as I said before, the economy turned off like a light switch during COVID, and I said all along it's going to come back like a sunrise. You have to think about that, and it's a slow sunrise.
Yes.
Now, people say, are we going into recession? I believe we are in a recession because every historical definition of recession has been 2 quarters of contracted growth on the GDP. GDP, gross domestic product, which is the report card to our economy. So if you think in terms of that, we had 2 contracting quarters last year.
Yes, we did.
I think it was March and April. So at the end of the day, I think we're already in a recession. I think that what we're going to see is that we are going to come out of this thing with a bang in about 9 months.
Let's get back to barbecue, beer, kicking butt, cowboys, trucks.
There you go.
Chewing tobacco. Come on.
Here we go. Stand by.